Hello guys, Muhammad Rizal Fikri here, and in this video I would like to share with you the Managerial Accounting mind map as the requirement of midterm test. Let's check it out. So let's take a look to the mind mapping. As you can see, I divide my mind mapping based on the week because I'm usually recall at the night to know what I've learned in today's session. So let's take a look to week 1 and week 2 part. As you can see in the week 1, we learn about the review of corporate finance and financial accounting. So it's about what we have learned in 2 semester at IPME. If the financial accounting is the basic things, you need to know how to create the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. It's about the post the journal, create the report, and etc. And if we learn about corporate finance, is more advanced, and financial accounting is about how to know about the future value, present value. Is also about the budgeting and about the IRR there, and etc. There's a lot of things in corporate finance. So let's move to the managerial accounting and financial accounting in week 2 first session. There is a difference. If the financial accounting is a requirement report that company need to create as to give them to the public. Managerial accounting is more useful for the strategic things, for the planning in the inner company. Is they create this to analyze what happened and to create the strategy what happened to the future of this company. And also we try to cover a little bit about the behavioral cost. There is a variable cost and fixed cost, right? This is a simple one. If a fixed cost is stagnant and variable cost is depend on the unit cost itself. Yeah. So in the third week, we learn about the full cost and additional aspect of production cost. A full cost is the measurement of the cost in this company to know for specific objective, right? If a full cost is divided into two, there is direct cost and indirect cost. Direct cost is divided also into three: direct material cost, direct labor cost, and overhead cost. And so, about non-manufacturing or indirect cost is about the G&A expense and marketing expense. So in the additional aspect, we learn about the classification of production and also the product costing system is a form of job order or process. And also about measurement of direct cost. Is it a direct material or this is a direct labor cost? So let's move to the third part, is the week 4 and week 5. Here we learn about standard cost first. Standard cost is the benchmark or norm that company create to determine their cost for this business operation. Usually based on the historical data on the industrial benchmark. Here we learn about to find the favorable and unfavorable variance, and also we learn about the variable cost in the second session in the week 4. It's separated of the fixed cost to create a simplify record keeping, useful for control purpose, and easier in operating tax. So we also learn about quality cost. There will be divided into 4. There's a prevention, appraisal cost, internal value, and external value. And last, we learn about joint cost. It's really useful because we usually use the use the machine into 2 products, right? But they will be separated. So there is we learn about joint cost. In the week 5, we learn about exercise. It's exercise about the standard cost, especially variance analysis. There is a 4 analysis after we learn of standard cost. There is the manufacturing usage variance, or MUV, manufacturer price variance, or MPV. There is a labor rate variance, or LRV, and labor efficient variance, or LEV. Is what we learn. We try to do exercise. A lot of exercise. There is a 5 or 4 question. In the last part, yeah, in week 6 and week 7, we are hearing the guest lecturer, there's a Mr. Alex Munaf, to try to cover up about the exercise in the week 5, about the variance analysis, especially in production cost variance analysis. Yes, we know the variance is the sum the sum of standard and actual. Yeah, if actual minus standard cost, there will be the variance like. So we covered a lot about LEV again, LRV again, MPV and MUV again, and some of things that Mr. Alex Munaf explained to us. And also, we try to cover about marketing. Also, there is a lot the simple of marketing and etc. And let's in the week 7, we try to cover a review of half mid, because in the week 8 we will do the midterm and the presentation of the assessment about report and yeah, managerial accounting system. That's for specific company that we choose. Thank you. So what do you think about this video? Don't forget to put a comment below, push the like button and subscribe. Bye.